Hey everyone, welcome to Lisbon, a city bursting with rich culture, history, and stunning sights. From the cobblestone streets to the vibrant tiles, Lisbon offers an unforgettable experience for any traveler. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning for another adventure, today we'll be exploring the best places to visit in Lisbon City. By the end of this video, you'll know where to explore, how to get around, where to eat, where to stay, and how much it all might cost. Let's dive in. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to join our community for more awesome travel tips. Let's jump right in. Best places and prices. Belém Tower, one of Lisbon's most iconic monuments. The Belém Tower is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports you back to the Age of Discovery. Built in the 16th century, this maritime fortress once served as a defense tower and later as a ceremonial gateway to the city. The entrance fee is approximately $6 per adult, but if you plan your visit on a Sunday before 2 p.m., admission is free. While there, don't forget to explore the nearby Jeronimos Monastery and enjoy the famous pastéis de Belém, a custard tart that costs around $1.20 each. For less than $10, you can immerse yourself in the history and flavors of Belém. Alfama District. Wander through the Alfama District, the oldest neighborhood in Lisbon, where every street echoes with history. Alfama is home to São Jorge Castle, with entry prices at around $10 per adult, offering a panoramic view of the city. As you walk down the narrow, winding alleys, take in the vibrant local culture and listen to live fado music in the evening, typically with a small 5 to 10 cover charge at traditional restaurants. If you're looking for a budget-friendly adventure, consider a free walking tour of Alfama, where you can explore the charming architecture, beautiful viewpoints, and hear stories of Lisbon's past. LX Factory. For a modern twist on Lisbon's cultural scene, head to the LX Factory, a trendy industrial complex filled with street art, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Entrance is free, and it's a fantastic spot for foodies, with meals ranging from $8 to $15 at various food stalls and restaurants. The lively atmosphere makes it a great spot to enjoy some local craft beer for about $3–4 or a coffee for $1.50. The factory is also known for its weekend flea markets and pop-up art galleries, offering something new to discover every time you visit. Miradouros. Lisbon is famous for its miradouros or viewpoints, which offer stunning panoramic views of the city's rolling hills and vibrant neighborhoods. Two of the best free viewpoints are Miradouro da Senhora do Monte and Miradouro de Santa Catarina. These spots are perfect for watching the sunset over the Tagus River without spending a single euro. If you want a more exclusive view, visit the Arco da Rua Augusta, where for $3 you can climb to the top of the Triumphal Arch for a bird's-eye view of Praça do Comércio and the waterfront. Tram 28. No trip to Lisbon is complete without hopping on the iconic Tram 28. This vintage tram takes you through the heart of Lisbon, from Graça to Estrela, passing many of the city's most famous landmarks. A single ride costs around $3, or you can purchase a 24-hour public transport pass for $6.40, which includes unlimited rides on trams, buses, and elevators. The tram ride offers a nostalgic experience, giving you a picturesque overview of the city while saving you the hassle of navigating steep hills on foot. Exploring transportation options and prices. Public transportation in Lisbon is reliable, affordable, and well-connected, making it the best option for most visitors. Lisbon's metro, buses, and trams are operated by Caras and the Metropolitano de Lisboa. The metro is one of the fastest ways to get around the city, covering the majority of tourist destinations. A single trip ticket costs around $1.50, but if you plan on using public transportation frequently, the 24-hour pass for $6.40 offers unlimited travel on buses, trams, and the metro. Trams, including the iconic Tram 28, are a tourist favorite. For $3 per ride, you can enjoy a scenic journey through Lisbon's hilly neighborhoods. Meanwhile, buses are available 24/7 and provide routes throughout the city, with single tickets costing £1.80. The popularity of Lisbon's trains. If you're planning day trips to the nearby areas of Lisbon, regional trains are an excellent choice. The Linha de Cascais and Linha de Sintra are two popular lines that connect Lisbon with scenic coastal towns. For instance, a one-way ticket from Lisbon to Cascais costs around $2.25, and the ride offers spectacular views of the Atlantic coastline. Another notable trip is to Sintra, where the one-way fare is $2.25, perfect for exploring the castles and natural beauty surrounding the area. A helpful tip is to purchase a Viva Viagem card for $7.50 and load it with credit, making your travel smoother and possibly saving you money. The card can be used on trains, metro, buses, buses and trams, offering convenience and simplicity. Renting a car in Lisbon. For travelers who prefer more independence or plan on exploring Portugal beyond Lisbon, renting a car can be a good option. Car rentals in Lisbon typically start around 20,000 to 30,000 per day, depending on the type of vehicle and the rental company. Keep in mind, however, that driving in Lisbon can be challenging due to its narrow streets and heavy traffic, especially during rush hours. If you do decide to rent a car, parking might be an issue in the city center where spaces are limited and can cost up to $4 per hour. Opting for parking garages outside the central areas could be a more budget-friendly choice, with daily rates ranging from 10 to 15. Taxi and ride-sharing services. Taxis and ride-sharing services like Uber and Bolt are widely available in Lisbon. Taxis are metered and the base fare is typically $3.50, with an additional $0.47 per kilometer. While taxis are more expensive than public transportation, they provide a convenient option for late-night trips or direct routes, especially if you're traveling with luggage or in a group. Uber and Bolt, on the other hand, offer similar rates, with rides within central Lisbon generally costing between 5 and 15 depending on traffic and distance. Ride-sharing apps also provide fixed pricing before you book, which can be an advantage for budgeting. The best restaurants and their prices. Traditional Portuguese cuisine. When in Lisbon, you can't skip the traditional flavors of Portugal. Iconic dishes like bacalhau à brás, salted cod, and cozido à portuguesa, Portuguese stew, are must-tries. For a truly authentic experience, head over to restaurants like Casa da India or Taberna da Rua das Flores. Expect prices for traditional meals to range between 10,000 or 20,000 per person. These spots are loved by locals and tourists alike for their homely, hearty meals that reflect the soul of Portugal's culinary history. Whether you're craving seafood or hearty meat dishes, the flavors are rich and the portions generous. Mid-range dining. For those looking to step up from casual dining without going full luxury, Lisbon offers plenty of mid-range gems. Cervejaria Ramiro is famous for its fresh seafood, especially the garlic prawns, with prices hovering around 25,000 or 35 balde per person. Another great option is Time Out Market, where you can sample dishes from some of Lisbon's best chefs under one roof. Meals here range from 15 to 30. The atmosphere in these places is lively, perfect for travelers wanting a mix of quality and value. Budget-friendly to eat. You don't need to spend a fortune to eat well in Lisbon. For budget-conscious travelers, street food and local tascas, small family-run restaurants, are the way to go. A Merendera offers one of the best bifanas, pork sandwiches, in town for less than $5. Similarly, O Trevo is known for its cheap yet delicious snacks, including classic pastel de nata for under $1.50. These spots prove that you can enjoy Lisbon's culinary magic even on a shoestring budget. Trendy and modern fusion spots. Lisbon is also a hotspot for contemporary dining experiences, blending global flavors with Portuguese tradition. Boa Bao, an Asian-Portuguese fusion restaurant, offers exotic dishes that range from £20 or $40 per person, providing a unique mix of both worlds. Another notable place is a cevicheria, where you can enjoy incredible seafood creations inspired by Peruvian cuisine, with meals averaging around £30 or $45. These restaurants appeal to foodies seeking a chic, modern twist on Lisbon's culinary landscape. Fine dining and gourmet experiences. For those ready to splurge, Lisbon has a handful of Michelin-starred restaurants that provide an unforgettable dining experience. At Bel Canto by chef José Avilés, expect a meal to cost upwards of $100 per person, offering an extraordinary culinary journey that combines innovation with Portuguese tradition. Another luxury option is Feitoria, where tasting menus showcase intricate dishes made with the finest local ingredients, with prices ranging from £80 or $120. Fine dining in Lisbon isn't just about the food, it's an experience that combines exquisite flavors with impeccable service. Best places to stay. Staying in Baixa and Chiado. First up, we have Baixa and Chiado, two of Lisbon's most iconic neighborhoods, known for their historical charm and bustling atmosphere. Staying in this area means you'll be in the heart of the city, surrounded by shops, restaurants, and landmarks like the Praça do Comércio and Elevador de Santa Justa. Expect to pay anywhere from $120 to $300 per night for hotels, depending on the season and the type of accommodation. There are also some beautiful boutique hotels and upscale Airbnbs that range from $150 to $400 a night. If you're someone who enjoys being close to the action and having everything at your doorstep, this is the spot for you. Alfama. Next, we're heading to Alfama, one of the oldest neighborhoods in Lisbon. Famous for its narrow streets, stunning views, and fado music, staying in Alfama will give you a more traditional Portuguese experience experience. Accommodation here varies from charming guest houses to boutique hotels. Prices for a decent room range between $80 and $200 per night. The winding streets and old-world feel make Alfama a top pick for travelers looking for a cultural immersion, and you'll get to enjoy scenic views of the city, especially if you choose a place on the higher streets near Miraduro de Santa Lucia. Barro Alto. If you're into nightlife, Barro Alto is the place to be. Known for its vibrant bar scene and lively atmosphere, this neighborhood comes alive after dark. Accommodation options here range from hostels and budget hotels to mid-range hotels, with prices starting from around $60,000 to $150,000 per night. However, if you're not a night owl, staying here might not be ideal due to the noise. But if you're someone who likes to party and be close to Lisbon's nightlife, this neighborhood offers great value for money, especially for younger travelers or solo adventurers. Príncipe Real. For those looking for something a bit more upscale and trendy, Príncipe Real is where you'll find chic boutiques, art galleries, and lush gardens. This is one of Lisbon's more upscale neighborhoods, so expect prices to reflect that. Accommodation here typically ranges from $150 to $400 per night, with luxury hotels and high-end apartments being the main choices. It's quieter than the city center, but still close enough that you can walk to many of the main attractions. If you're into designer shops, fine dining, and a more laid-back vibe, Príncipe Real is the perfect place for you. Belém. Last but not least, we have Belém, a riverside district that's a bit removed from the hustle and bustle of central Lisbon. Belém is home to some of Lisbon's most famous historical landmarks, like the Jerónimos Monastery and the Belém Tower. It's a quieter area, perfect for those who prefer peace and relaxation. Hotels and Airbnbs in this area can range from $100 to $250 per night. It's an excellent option for families or travelers who want to combine historical exploration with a more peaceful stay. Plus, the waterfront views are unbeatable. Lisbon is a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, offering visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. From the historic streets of Belém to the trendy neighborhoods of Cais de Sodré, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. Whether you're here to explore, eat, or simply take in the stunning views, Lisbon never disappoints. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Lisbon adventure today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Have you been to Lisbon before? Drop a comment below with your favorite places in the city. And for more detailed travel guides and tips,